In a study from a couple years ago, it was said that the average American spent $40 to $50 a month on cleaning supplies. So if you're looking for some ideas on how you can start saving money in your household budget, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share with you my favorite reusable and more eco-friendly products that I use in my house that have made a huge impact in my life and my budget. So stay tuned. Hey, I'm Lindsay with Organized to Save, and if we're just meeting, welcome. On this channel, I'm here to help you get organized and be more productive with budget-friendly tips and digital products so that way you can declutter and simplify. So almost 5 years ago, there was something huge that happened with our family that prompted what we're going to be talking about today. Any guesses what that might be? If you guessed a baby, you're right. 5 years ago, we had our daughter, Ellie. So since then, I've been on this journey of making our home a safer environment, but also trying to figure out ways that I can cut back on our household budget needs. So first off, I just want to say that what I am going to be sharing in this video is just what works best for our family. I just want to share with you what we do and why it has impacted our lives. So with that, let's dive in. Okay, so let's start off with the big guy. Those cleaning supplies. Think all of your spray bottles, your wipes, all of the cleaning supplies that can add up super quickly. I have not purchased cleaning supplies in years. And you might be thinking, okay, well, how do you clean your house? Well, a couple years ago, I invested in some NORWEX cloths, and they were a game changer for our family. Now, I'm not going to go into all of the sciencey stuff behind the NORWEX cloths. Basically, the essentials that I need to clean my house is right here. These two cloths right here. Now, obviously, I've expanded my collection, but to get started, this is all you need. All you do with this is add water. It's so simple, which has also cut my cleaning time in half because I'm not having to worry about using sprays or switching what things I'm using in what area, because all I need is this ENVIRO cloth with water, and then this one is the window cloth, which you can use on your mirrors or to polish your faucets. I'm telling you guys, this has been a game changer for us. So I will say that a lot of these products that I'm going to be sharing today are an initial investment, but if you look at the math on your screen right now, you will see that it's going to be a huge saver on your budget overall. Okay, so this next one is probably my all-time favorite ditch and switch thing that I ever did. If you don't know, my daughter uses a walker to get around, and so with the wheels transitioning from outside to inside, it's not unlikely that things get spread around our floors. So I really needed to find a solution that would be super easy for me to do because super busy and I don't have time to deal with all of the little Swiffer pads, which I had used for years. And you guys, those things are so stinking expensive. So I transitioned to using my NORWEX mop. It's amazing not only for peace of mind, knowing that it is a chemical-free thing. Again, just add water to that mop and it will clean your floors. So I'm not having to worry about my daughter, crawling around on the floors and getting things on her hands. And also, she can help me with it too. So it's just peace of mind for me, knowing that our floors are going to be safe for her. And it's super easy for me to quickly just sweep it across the floors and go on my way. Okay, so before we go on to the next thing, if you are digging this ditch and switch video so far, please give this a thumbs up so I know that you like this kind of content. And also, if you're not subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Go hit that little subscribe button and let's get back to the tips. Okay, so the last couple years, I've really been getting into essential oils. I wanted to share with you two things that I recently discovered. Now, oils obviously can be expensive, but I found a recipe for a laundry soap and hand soap utilizing the oils, but making it a lot more affordable. So let me show you real quick how to make them. So sticking with the laundry theme, the other thing that I've switched to is instead of using fabric softener and dryer sheets, I have switched to using dryer balls. Now the ones that I have are NORWEX ones, but I've also heard great things about wool balls as well, which you can also put essential oils on the wool balls. So if you want your laundry to smell nice in the dryer, you can do that as well. So a super easy way to ditch some of those one-time use items. Switching to stainless or silicone straws. I personally love these stainless straws. They're super easy to clean. You can even pop them in your dishwasher, or there's a little wand that you can run through them to clean them. But this is a super easy thing for me to ditch some of those one-time use things, and I love using them. Where my coffee lovers at, if you have not switched to a reusable coffee filter, what are you waiting for? That's another super easy thing that you can ditch and switch. Okay, I had to throw this one in here. My Organize to Save Undated Planner. I mean, you can buy it once and use it year after year. So if you want to learn more about how you can stop buying planners every single year, I'll leave a video linked where you can go check this out, look inside of it, and see if this might be something for you, so that way you don't have to spend $20+ every single year buying a new planner. Gradually been starting to switch out my food storage solutions, and two things that I truly love using are, one, these stasher bags or any type of reusable bags instead of using plastic bags. Now I only have a couple of these, so this is again something that I'm investing in, and as my budget allows, I will purchase more of them. But it is amazing that you can use these over and over again for so many different things. They're great for like veggies that you need to store in your fridge or snacks on the go. But the other one that I love is a beeswax wrap. Now this is great for, I love to store like my cheese wedges or blocks in, but you can also use it on around bowls. So basically think of anything that you would use a cling wrap for, you can use this for as well. Now if you're curious about other things that I've stopped buying, I'd love for you to check out the video on your screen right now as I share 10 things that I no longer purchase. We'll see you in that video.